Today's lesson is on non-finite forms of verbs. In this part, we shall learn about the infinitives. In the non-finite form of verbs, there are three main types. The infinitives, that is the present and perfect tense, the participles, which is the present and past tense, and the gerunds, which are the verbal nouns. In this presentation, we shall focus basically on the infinitives. Let us see it in detail. Now, what are infinitives? Infinitives are not the main verb in the sentence. It doesn't change as per tense, number, or person. The infinitive form of a verb is the verb in its basic form. It is the version which will usually appear in the dictionary. The infinitive form of a verb is usually preceded by to. Infinitives are not used as a verb in the sentence. They are mostly used as a noun. Example, Maluti likes to play. So here, to play is the infinitive. An adjective, I have no time to eat. To eat is the infinitive. As an adverb, she runs to stay fit. To stay is the infinitive. When they are used as to write, to speak, to break, etc., these are forms in which they are called as the present infinitive. Whereas when they are written as to have written, to have spoken, to have broken, these are forms of perfect infinitive. Now, there are a few rules that we need to be aware of and when it is used as well. Now, the infinitives are used with and without to. Two types are there. One is the to and the other one are the bare infinitives. Let us see both of them. Now, to infinitives are the ones which are used with to. Example, I want to dance. I ought to have danced. Now, in the bare infinitives, they are the ones which are used without to. Example, I can dance. I could have danced. You can see how both these sentences make complete sense but are used with to and with the bare form of the infinitive. This is another type in which the infinitives are the subject of a finite verb. The examples, as we can see below, in which the adjective precedes the infinitive. To steal is wrong. To find fault is easy. A preparatory it is used to make the sentences better. For example, it is wrong to steal. It is easy to find fault. Note in the above sentences, the adjective precedes the infinitive. The second one, where the noun precedes the infinitive. It is a pleasure to meet Rajiv sir. It was fun to watch our friends fly kites. Examples where the subject is for followed by a noun or pronoun and then the infinitive is used. It is not safe for children to play with crackers. It was possible for the students to understand easily. This is another type where the pattern is or was plus the adjective plus of plus the noun or pronoun plus the infinitive. This forms the complete sentence. The sentence is, it was kind of your parents to invite us. Here you can see each of them has been linked to the adjective, pronoun, noun, and infinitive. Thank you for listening to the presentation. I hope you have understood and look out for part 2 of the same series. Thank you.